hydrocarbons. That is, in organic compounds, compound containing only hydrogen and carbon, it is called as hydrocarbons. Compound containing only hydrogen and carbon are called as hydrocarbons. Then there are two types of hydrocarbon. First one, saturated hydrocarbon, and second one, unsaturated hydrocarbon. First one, saturated hydrocarbon, and second one, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Then examples of these saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons means compound having carbon-carbon single bond, and unsaturated hydrocarbons means compound having carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. Then first, saturated hydrocarbons. What is saturated hydrocarbons? Saturated hydrocarbons means all these valencies of carbon atoms are satisfied by single bond are called as saturated hydrocarbons. Then first example of the saturated hydrocarbon is methane. Methane having carbon number 1. This carbon having 4 electrons. We already learned that is carbon is tetravalent, having 4 electrons in the outermost orbit, that is in valence shell. Suppose this carbon having 4 electrons, then this methane, these 4 electrons form 4 hydrogen atom, 4 covalent bond with this 4 hydrogen atom. That means it having 4 valence electron and hydrogen having only 1 valence electron. Hence this 1 carbon atom requires 4 hydrogen atom and it forms methane molecule. That means all these electrons of this carbon and hydrogen are satisfied by single bond. These are satisfied by single bond, hence it is called as saturated hydrocarbon. Suppose this is structure. In this way there is a structure of methane. In center there is suppose carbon and there are 4 hydrogen. This is first hydrogen, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth hydrogen. This structure or this model, it is called as ball and stick model. That is, this central is black is carbon, this having 4 valencies or 4 valence electron, and it combine or join with 4 hydrogen atoms. This is called as ball and stick model. This model, that is 4 hydrogen ball and sticks model. That is, these hydrocarbons are shown by model in this way. This is called as ball and stick model. And what is structural formula? Structural formula of this methane. Suppose at center there is carbon and it joined with 4 hydrogen atoms. This is called as structural formula. This formula is called as structural formula, and this is called as electron dot structure. Electron dot structure, and structural formula of which molecule? That is methane. Then second molecule of this hydrocarbon or this alkane is ethane. Second example, ethane. Ethane having molecular formula C2H6. Ethane having molecular formula C2H6. Again, it contains 2 carbon atom. See, electron structure and structural formula of this carbon, ethane. Suppose this is first carbon, this is second carbon. On this first carbon, it having 4 valence electron. This 4 valence electron of this first carbon. Then second carbon also having 4 valence electron. Second carbon also having 4 valence electron. Out of these 2 electrons, 1 electron of this first carbon atom and the second electron of this second carbon atom. Then it having valency 4. That means it having ability to share 4 electrons with this 4 hydrogen atom. This having 6 hydrogen atom. Out of these 3 hydrogen atom join with this first carbon atom and remaining 3 hydrogen atoms join with second carbon atom. In this way it forms electron dot formula of this ethane. Then what's about structural formula? Structural formula is represented by dash. Suppose these 2 carbon atom. At first this join with carbon-carbon single bond. Then remaining 3 hydrogen atom join to this 2 carbon atom. Out of these 3 hydrogen atom join to first carbon atom and remaining 3 hydrogen atom join to second carbon atom. In this way it forms a molecule. It is called as structural formula of this ethane. This is electron dot structure and this is structural formula. Also that is bond line structure or ball and stick model. See here, this is the ball and stick model of this ethane. In this at center here 2 carbon atoms. This is bond in between those 2 carbon atoms. This is first carbon atom. This is second carbon atom. At first this 2 carbon atom joined by this white color bond, that is a single bond. This is white color tube. It is a bond between these 2 carbon atom and this carbon atom joined to this 3 hydrogen atom. This is first hydrogen, this is second hydrogen and this is third hydrogen. In this way also this second carbon atom joined to this 3 hydrogen atom. This is first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom and third hydrogen atom. In this way this model also shows the formation of ethane molecule, and this model it is called as ball and stick model. Ball and sticks model. It is also clear, easily clear how these 2 carbon atoms join to each other and how these carbon and hydrogen bonded to each other by this ball and sticks model. This is about saturated hydrocarbons. Then second one, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, then first example of this unsaturated hydrocarbon is, that is ethene. Ethene. See here, replace this A and E of this ethane by ethene. First example was of this saturated hydrocarbon is ethane. Here A and E, this represent carbon-carbon single bond, and this ethene, this is example of this unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is by replacing N of this corresponding by E and E. Then suppose molecular formula. Molecular formula of this ethene is C2H4. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. Molecular formula of ethene is C2H4. That means 2 hydrogen atom is less in ethene than that of ethane. In this ethene, 2 hydrogen atom less than that of ethene and having molecular formula C2H4. Then electron structure, again electronic structure of this ethene. Suppose at center there are 2 carbon atoms. Again there are 4 electrons in outermost orbit. 4 electrons in outermost orbit of this carbon atom. That means valency of this first carbon atom is 4. Again valency of this second carbon atom is also 4. These are also having 4 valence electron in outermost orbit, that is valency of carbon atom is 4. Then these 4 hydrogen atom, out of these 4 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom bonded to first carbon atom. Out of these 4 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom bonded to first carbon atom, and remaining 2 hydrogen atom are bonded to second carbon atom. In this way, it forms a molecule is called as a ethene. In this molecule, it shares 2 lone pair of electron. It shares this 2 lone pair of electron, that is first lone pair of electron of this carbon atom, and this is first electron from the second carbon atom, and here second electron share electron with second carbon atom. This is called as electron dot structure of ethene. Then what's about structural formula? Structural formula, as suppose this carbon atom, at first it joined to second carbon atom by carbon-carbon single bond. Then it joined to 2 hydrogen atoms. From this electron dot structure, it joined to 2 hydrogen atom, and second carbon atom joined to 2 hydrogen atom. Then each carbon atom remain 1 valency, and it forms carbon-carbon double bond. In this way, this is the structural formula of ethene. Structural formula of ethene. Then second example of this unsaturated compound is ethyne. See what is difference in ethane, ANE, that is carbon-carbon single bond. In ethene there is ENE, that is carbon-carbon double bond, and in ethyne there is ine, that is YNE. Then what is structure of this ethyne? Third structure is of ethyne. Again, carbon number first for this structure of ethyne. This is carbon number first. Molecular formula is C2H2. See here, molecular formula here C2H6. In ethene, molecular formula is C2H6, and in ethyne, molecular formula is C2H2. That is 2 hydrogen atom less than that of corresponding ethene, and in ethene 2 hydrogen atom less than that of corresponding ethane. Then draw at first carbon atom. Then again there are 4 valencies of this first carbon atom, and there are also 4 valencies of second carbon atom. This is first carbon atom of ethyne, this is second carbon atom of ethyne. It having 2 hydrogen atom, molecular formula is C2H2. Out of these 2 hydrogen atom, 1 hydrogen atom bonded to this first carbon atom, and 1 hydrogen atom bonded to second carbon atom. This forms bond between this carbon and hydrogen by sharing of this 1 electron, and it forms carbon and hydrogen atom by sharing of 1 electron. Then remaining 2 valencies of this carbon, it forms carbon-carbon double bond and triple bond. For example, structural formula. This is again called as electron dot structure, and structural formula of this ethyne is as this is first carbon, this is second carbon. At first draw single bond in between these 2 carbon atom. Each carbon atom joined to 1 hydrogen atom, then it remains 2 valencies, and it forms double bond, and here again bond, and it shows in ethyne there is carbon-carbon triple bond. In this way, that is hydrocarbon shows saturated and unsaturated compound. In saturated compounds, it forms ethane, propane, butane, etc. And in unsaturated compound, it forms ethene and ethyne. Saturated compound means formation of carbon-carbon single bond, and unsaturated compound means formation of carbon-carbon double bond and triple bond. The next point, that is functional group.